Hello my darlings, welcome back to another video. So in this video briefly we're going to be unboxing a facial steamer, and yeah, it's my last video I think I talked about it being my Valentine's Day gifts from Hobby. So quickly I thought I should unbox so you guys can see properly. All right, so yeah, let's get into it. I've always wanted this, now I have one. Thanks baby. Oh, this is nice. What do we have here? We have the headband, I think. Okay, in preparation for facial treatment. Inside the box we have a Vera facial mask. We have fresh honey. Woo woo. Here is the main thing. Let's have this somewhere. Okay, so this is a steamer. I think 1 second. Oh, there is a mirror actually. Hey, there is a mirror actually. Hey. Wow, this is really nice guys. It's so cute. Oh, there is another mirror here actually. Wow, we're going to fill this up. Oh, careful with water. Let me fill it up real quick, then yeah. So I've just filled it up with tap water. Then I simply insert here. Okay. And on from here. So let's see how it works. Yes, I will have to charge it for a few seconds. Okay, now it's coming up. You guys can see the steam. Nice. Then it's off. We'll be doing a routine, a facial routine with this, so I can show you guys how I actually go about it. Okay, so yeah, basically that is it. All right, see you in the next one. Bye. You're the kind of guy that I should